Easy attendants are used to route calls to various destinations, employees within your company, specific groups of employees, voicemail, or announcement messages, without the assistance of an operator or receptionist. They also provide callers with your company greeting and dialing menu options. Each Easy Attendant is assigned a unique 10-digit number for identification and setup purposes. The Easy Attendant has two modes, one for business hours and the other for after hours. Each mode allows you to set up options 1 through 9, pound, and star to present callers with different choices from which to select. To modify your Easy Attendant, select the Attendants page. Find the Easy Attendant you'd like to modify, and select the More Options drop-down menu. Select View Attendant Settings, then Open in New Window. To route calls based on the time of day, for example, after hours versus traditional business hours, you must configure a schedule. Click the Schedule tab. Next, select to start with an example schedule. Select the cells that represent your business hours, for example, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then click Apply. Next, configure your business hours menu and greetings. Click the Business Hours menu tab. Here, you can configure the destination that callers will reach once they press the corresponding buttons on their dial pad, options 1 through 9 and 0. The destination options are available from the drop-down menu. They include Play Announcement, Transfer to Phone, Transfer to Voicemail, Dial by Extension, and Dial by Name. Once you select an option, you must configure the final destination. For example, to transfer option 3 to a user's desktop phone equipment, a hunt group, or another Easy Attendant, select Transfer to Phone and enter the number or partial number of the user, hunt group, or Easy Attendant. To route callers to an announcement, for example, direction to your office, select the Play Announcement option, then click the link to record the announcement. To enable callers to dial by name, select the Dial by Name option. Please note, users must have their name recorded in order to be found in the Dial by Name directory. Once you've configured all of your business hours menu options, you must record the business hours greeting to match those options. To record your greeting, click here. If you have a microphone on your computer, you can simply begin recording your message. Click Record to start. If you do not have a microphone on your computer, you can record your greeting from your desktop phone equipment. Repeat these steps for your non-business hours menu. Start by clicking on the Non-Business Hours menu tab. When finished, select the Main tab. Then select Turn On to enable this Easy Attendant.